Hey guys, today we have cleaned up real good. We are looking all good, and it's because it's a new month. So, new month, you have to start it well, First impressions are lasting impressions. So, I hope you are well. I hope you've been faring on well. September was quite slow for me. I wasn't even able to upload as many videos as I wanted, but we are really hoping for a better month this October. And yeah, we will be keeping you updated at least twice every week, or at least every week for the whole of October. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do to catch up on what's coming up this October, because good things are happening this October. So thank you so much for watching. Today I want us to spend the day together. It's on a Sunday, and yeah, I really usually love Sundays because I believe Sundays are family days out. So I try as much as I can to go out, like, because most of the time I'm home, so I want to do as much outings on Sunday, especially with my person. So we are going to visit our very good friends, my very good friend who who we schooled with in high school. She was my bedmate, yeah. So we've been friends for that long, and we keep on. So I also wanted my hubs to meet the hubs, because now she's a person, and I'm about to become a family person. So we have to have more of these kind of friends now that you're getting into another stage of life. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to be meeting them, and the good thing about it is they have a farm. They have a very big farm, and I love farms. I love seeing things on the garden just growing and all that. So I'm excited to also go see that. I've never seen or met the babies, so I'm also excited about that. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to this trip. I hope everything will go well. I want you guys to join me, and yeah, watch until the end. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and let's go. And nobody will treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need. So guys, it's not good to go visit someone empty-handed. So I'm just doing a little shopping to take to her, just to appreciate her, So that's what I am on at the moment.
love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I do. You keep me coming back for more.
So the bags are secured. Now let's continue with our journey. So this is the mall that we had to stop by, Ananas Mall. Guys, these guys live in a ranch. This is the gate, and your way to the house is like another journey on its own. So we are here. Hey, goals, yo, goals. Look at all the greenhouses. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. They even have bees. Oh, oh. This is amazing. Yo. Please, baby. Hi.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Sugeva,
welcome. Hi.
So good, oh my
Thank
God.
you. We also
Finally
look so good.
united after a few years.
After very many years.
5.
Ni 5 peke yake. Na vile inakaa mingi. Ai, inakaa kama 10 years hivi.
Amba.
Guys, the hostess with the mostest. Some grilled chicken. Zinakaa poa.
They look so yummy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Let me get something. I removed the chickens, Amma. Oh, for the last round. Okay then. Hii ni za miracle waka ji. Hata siamini. Do you know how?
Eating some salad.
Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do.
But hizi na grow for not to sell for sale.
Oh, za kutumia tu hapa home.
Kutumia na maybe. But then there are safari but hizi ni za hapa ni tu.
Si cherry lakini hizi.
Hii ni normal tomato.
Wow.
Safari na inafaa inakaa hivi. Na white flaming.
This is interesting.
And then mbogas.
Yenye they are suffering.
Hiyo ni lack of nini? What's it called? Hiyo culture.
Oh.
So
Na unazispray?
wanazispray but ni kama naona like this one has a dudu ndo nimeona sasa. They need to be sprayed again. Most of the times because this is a by the way, this is not like their main project. They don't get priority of anything. They'll be skipped.
Oh.
Like zitakosa spray. Ai monkey iliingia hapa. Kama imekula kula.
Oh.
Ati ndo mnaziwekea maji. Zinakaa zimekosa maji siku nyingi sana. Kwamba iko inafanya.
Sukuma. Na hii ni mchicha?
Ni mchicha nasari pia nilikuwa nimepanda. Kama unataka kupanda kwa.
Mchicha niko nazo nyingi.
Hizo hata zinanga stress.
Sukuma pia ninayo nyingi.
Hizo zinanga stress. Then these are the flowers. That purple can work for you.
Perfect. Perfectly. Hii ni cassava?
No. This is the ile cotton tree. Ni miti.
Cotton tree. Msofi.
Inatoa kitu hivi kama boat-ish, but not a boat, but ndani iko na cotton. Iko pale nitakuonyesha tukirudi. Frank alipeana mbegu zi try kunini multiply. Unaona hizo? So these are actual trees. We'll plant them when the rainy season kicks in. They look like this.
Oh.
You know them? Yes.
Wow. But it grows bigger than this.
Yeah, I'm trying to find. You know they've harvested. So say that's what they're grading huko. They've been harvesting. Huko kote hizo. Wamevuna sasa zenye zinaenda kesho. So most of them are just like really tired.
So purely for export.
Export. Hii sasa for Kenyan consumption, hata kama tunataka kupea mtu, what are they going to do with this?
This.
It's in a big one now, like that one.
Hey. This is interesting.
Imagine. You, what will you do with that one? You put it in your house. You know them, they put it as decoration in their houses.
Or they don't eat?
No.
Wait. Like wanachuna wanaeka tu.
Zinapandwa, si tukituma tunazipanga. Acha nikuonyeshe venye tunazitumanga. Hii ukiweka Mkenya kwa nyumba yako utaanza kutoa uchawi. Tuweka vitu hapo kwa centerpiece. Now them they are decorations.
Oh. So all this is according to order. Oh, season.
We estimate.
Oh.
We estimate like okay, like we know this last year we go to the auction.
Oh.
Sometimes it's not someone specifically we are sending to. They go to the auction and now buyers bid.
But kuna ready market.
There's some people who want it. Yeah, there's a guy who gets it like direct tunamtumia zake. Then kuna hizo za auction. Yeah. But it depends. It goes up and down. Because even the Dutch themselves, sometimes they plant them.
Oh.
The same, yeah. They do the same crop. And you know them wao wako hapo, it's cheaper for them than it is for us.
Yeah.
Inaitwa Ami.
Flower.
Yeah, this is a flower.
Ami.
Yeah.
Wow.
It becomes white.
Kama ile.
Exactly.
Oh. This is beautiful. So inachuna hivyo yote ama?
Wanakata tu chini.
Si ndo nimeingia tu nikasikia. Ni nini yani? What does it do?
Okay. It filters, ni kama it filters the sun rays.
Oh.
There's a specific one that kuna zile ina allow to pass and kuna ile ina block.
Oh.
And then also it creates humidity for the crops as well. There's some crops that need that. It always has a special heat. Ukiingia utasikia.
Eh.
And this is another. But then this is calabash. Maybe I do not see. I'm looking for one fruit to show you. But they're suffering. They have. They are here.
Oh, wow. But hii inakuliwa.
No, the same thing. The same thing. Ni zile ni cucumbers by the way.
Oh. Hey. Ah, la 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 la.
English cucumber.
This is beautiful. Cucumbers. Wow. Ah. Haki zangu zilikataa.
Sorry?
Zangu zilikataa.
Wakati, because this one these seeds they buy from ile unanunua kwa supermarket.
Kwa hizi agrovets.
Yeah, but hiyo wanakuzia ni ile inaitwa ile African cucumber. Hii ni English cucumber. It's better than the African. Unaona African hiyo ngozi yake inakuanga nyingine ngumu. Hii this one the skin is quite.
Si ndio nimeona inakaa.
Ni soft, inaweza tafuna ina nini. So wakioda maybe some seed next time kwekea to church. Wakioda because mamake ana order nyingi from America. They sell them at a very high price. Sijui anauzanga but najua ni expensive au ni kwamba expensive. So nakumbuka tukinunua madina tomato. Hopefully we'll have this one.
That's good. Roses, do you plant roses?
No, we used to but
Oh. Wow. And how long do they take to grow?
maybe 2 months, maybe 3.
Kani months hiyo ni very doable.
It takes a minute. Na hii, unaona these ones you're seeing right now? We are going to cut them down. We are not going to harvest it for selling.
Why?
Because it's not going to be long enough.
Oh.
Alafu the first shoot, you cut the first shoot, flash so that it can remove 2. so that per plant you're not going to be harvesting only. But hizi zijuka tutakuwa nazo Oktoba.
Bado.
But we might. I mean, they grow fast.
Tushaingia Oktoba.
No, but in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. We might have.
So inatokea in white, purple,
and
ile blue.
And then that purple again. And then there's 2 blues. Sky blue and then dark blue. This purple. Na ile hata hizi purple ukiangalia maybe I think kuna different. Even those ones are different. So I think there's white there and there's white.
So easy places bado
kujapando. It's just preparation. This one will be nice. And then we get some.
Hey, this is the real hibiscus. Si ile yenye watu wanasemanga. Wow. Hey. Wow.
The last time nilikuwa hapa they were so tiny.
Hey. They're looking good.
Tumekata mara nyingi sana.
You talk about this moonflower?
Alafu unaona hizo takataka tukienda tutupe mahali.
Inamea?
Yeah.
This is
biringanya.
Hii ni egg white. Hii ndio huyu anasema it is eggplant. Anataka kukula.
It is, you can eat it.
Usifanye Aurelia aanze kuzichuna. Usichuna sasa hivi. Ngashi will slack.
Hizi ni mchicha.
Gani? Inaitwa hivyo lakini si mchicha ile.
Ni different.
Hii ni amaranth. Unatoa maua. Hanging. You don't have ready?
No, this maybe we
I'll find a photo for you.
Inatoa flowers.
Unaona ile maua ya mchicha vile inakaa? Kama hiyo lakini ina hang inakaa ndefu, iko na style fulani. So kuna hii green na white I think na red. And red and green.
So you also export those?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hizo ni za export.
Ndio hizi.
Other calabashes.
Oh.
Yaani hizi naomba Mungu tukue nazo. Hizo ndio na white. Although hii ni asili.
So hizi calabash zina grow big?
Oh. Sile kubwa ati kama guad. Hizi slightly bigger than me. See this one? Slightly bigger than that. And then we harvest. Because if it's too big, you can do this stuff. Kama hii sasa.
Color ni green and that yellow.
Green and yellow. And I think there sometimes they look like that. You see?
Yeah.
Unakulanga mchunga?
Hizi ni mums.
Like they are old. These ones are for seeds.
Oh.
Although we still harvest. Kama hivi naweza. Zikiacha hivi but I think wame harvest but mostly what tunaweka za when it reaches old age. Now this is for seeds.
Na colors.
We used to have many colors but now we don't. We only have white, even that orange. Oh, in yellow. We don't even sell that one. It's so short. It has to be long. When it becomes, we had a lot.
So this was our beautiful day, guys. We spent so much time chatting and just catching up, you know, off camera, you know, and they were so kind enough to gift us all these cucumbers. Just look at how huge these cucumbers are. These are English cucumbers, so at least now my salads are are tops, are gonna be tops. My juices, my smoothies are going to be benefiting so much from these cucumbers. Thank you so much, Amber and your hubby, for your kindness, for allowing me to come to your home and just enjoy the goodness of the farm that you guys are doing. So that was it for today, guys, and it was time to go. And I could not let the baby go, neither could the baby let me go. So it was a sad moment to say goodbye, but we had to say goodbye. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.